What's going on, YouTube? Dark Scarf coming at you again. Sorry, distraction. I am doing a review of my Kyberlight lightsaber, the V5 board. I got in, I think, Boxing Day, because I had it shipped to my sister's house, which is over in the States, because it is much cheaper to get it shipped over there if you can. Sorry about that. So I'm going to be reviewing the flash on clash, the swinging effects, the sound of the board, and how many sound fonts it has. So we're going to head on over to my phone camera so I can record a little bit easier and not have to take my webcam off of my stand. So let's go. Alright, so here we are. Ooh, that's under a light. See, brightness. Whatever. Hide that. So you guys can't see my address. So this is the box that my new Kyberlight came in. Pretty nice. And right back there is the old box. So I'm going to do a measurement. The old box is really big compared to it. And I'm also going to be opening it up. Those are my day blades back there. I've already done a review. This is my V4 board, which I already got a bunch of accessories on. This is an extra blade. Let me just pop that one back there. So I did charge the blade so that when I turn it on, it's fully charged and there's nothing wrong. But that's what's in the box. It just comes with the saber itself, which I was one of the lucky ones to get in on the first release to get the fully black hilt. Came with a black sleeve, which now I have two of these, because the other one is on the Kyberlight, which that's actually how that one came. Also have this, what is it called? It's not a pommel, it's emitter, I guess is what they call them. That's a pommel that it came with. Let that focus. Pretty nice. All black. The screws to tighten everything. The charger, which I actually have my other charger plugged into the wall that I can charge both at the same time now. So I'm just going to pause this, set the blade together. Let me just, didn't mean to do that. Set the blade together, and yeah, then when I come back, it'll be together. I'll turn it on and I'll do a sound comparison and everything. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Alright, so I got it all together, which is looking pretty friggin' sweet right now. Which I actually do have other parts from my previous lightsaber buy that I could probably swap it out with, but for now, just gonna have the stock on them. Okay, so I'm gonna kill the lights. We're going to turn them on, see the brightness and how well they sound. So, be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the V4. Brightness is kind of really bad, but this is the V4. Has flash on clash with swing. It's not that loud. Bunch of different colors. I think this one has 20 and the other one has 15 or something. But this also has two sound fonts. Oh, that's why. Okay, I'll turn that back on. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. Now, for the V5. It sounds so much better. Apparently it has true swing. Flash on clash, obviously. This also has blaster deflect. And well, yeah, I guess you could call it clash effect. But what this has that the other one doesn't do, that's a second sound font, which is I guess Sith or Kylo, kind of has a Kylo Ren effect to it. Glass, flashing, and but you have to hit the bottom button, which is has this thing called what they call the dark saber. Then if you hit this 3 times, you hear a beep, which allows you to change the color. Then you hit the button again. So this doesn't do anything to change the color. But the benefit of this board, hang on. So I was saying the benefit of this board tells you 84% how much it's charged. This one does not. Which I would actually not mind upgrading the board for that one, because I've done that once already. But if you hold down the power button and then press the clash button, come on, turn off. Why is it not working? You're supposed to. %. That changes the sound volume. So you hold down the power button. 50%. Press that just real quick. 25%. Then there's a mute. So you just have the blade, flash on clash, deflector, rumble. Then when you want it back on, 100%. Yeah, so that's them so far. It looks like the V5 has a better LED in it, which I'm actually gonna take this apart, show you the LED. Not going to pull the board out because the board is a little difficult to put back in. But the LEDs aren't in the string, they're actually inside. I also noticed while I was playing with it that when you shut it off, it almost looks like it's shooting back in because it goes to darker before it shuts off, when this one just shuts right off. I might throw a Dayblade in there, see how well a Dayblade looks, but I kind of want to take it outside and swing it around a little bit. I could probably do another video of me playing around with it and playing with both of them. I've had a really good experience with Kyberlight so far. I had one of my blades, which I think, yeah, is this one here. I don't know if you can see it. It's all scuffed up, and there's also a few cracks and chunks taken out of it. Let's pull that back right there. A bit of a chunk. They have a lifetime warranty on their blades, and they sent me a free blade, and they had to deal with the buy one day blade, get another one, get the green one free. So I ended up doing that. The problem with Kyberlight's blades is that they're not double diffuse, they're single. But I actually have taken some cellophane wrap and double diffused all my blades. I haven't done it to the new one yet. See that bit of plastic in there? And yeah, they have a bunch of different parts you can buy to make this really customized to your personal thing. But what I can't wait to do is when I bought this, I think it was the master pack. That's why it came with all the different parts. This one's just the night pack, which only comes with one sheath, one pommel, and one emitter. But my old one came with a coupler to make it a dual blade, which it's pretty cool. It's very easy to change the parts. Just a couple of screws hold everything in. Retention screws, nothing too extravagant. I find them a little easier, and I don't know, do I actually have batteries in one of my other sabers? Because I have some FX sabers, but I don't know if I have batteries in them. Oh, yes, I do. So this is the Yoda. Has a flash on, well, it has Clash, not flash on Clash. So I'm actually curious, is my Kylo Ren over here have one in it? Have batteries in it? Probably not. No. Hold on, let me see if I got batteries. Okay, so I don't have batteries for the Kylo Ren lightsaber, and I don't think any of my other ones except for the Yoda does. So I'll do a more in-depth review of comparison of the Black Series lightsabers, which is what the Kylo Ren and the Yoda are. Also my Vader, Luke, Rey, whatever the hell, Anakin, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's all three of them. Let's be serious here. So when I get a chance, I'll do a review of that. I will also do a review of having them connected together and show you what they look like when they're put into the dual blade, and do a bit of a better side-by-side comparison with the color when I'm not in my bedroom trying to do this and I'm outside. So if you like this, please follow me on Twitter, and if you would like to get more live content, follow me on Twitch, where I'm going to try and start streaming more often. I'm hopefully going to stream soon, but I can't really 100% guarantee it because I do have a baby here. One thing usually always the other. So again, if you liked it, please like and subscribe. The link to the review of the V4 board I'm going to put in the description, which is actually on my old YouTube channel, which I do not upload on anymore. I might re-upload it on my main channel after I edit it about a bit. So thanks for stopping by, and hopefully you can come back for my next upload. Okay, thanks. Bye.